Welcome back to my channel, Undiscovered Flower. And oh gosh, let me put my hands behind. And I'll be doing like a mukbang. I always wanted to do one since I started watching Love Lives and no other mukbangers and stuff like that. Stephanie Sue and all those others. Who others like I watch? Eat with You, Eat with Kim, I think that's the name. But anyways, yes. So I could probably say the one that I really enjoy. Oh, and Casey Connection. The one that I really enjoy is Stephanie Sue, because like she talks about crimes and stuff like that when she's eating, and like I love any crime story, like crime romance, crime mystery. I read about crime, I want to write a crime story and stuff like that. I watch crime shows, so why not listen to real life crime stories, to get maybe like listening to some of them can give me some thoughts that might not be healthy for my brain, but whatever. So the thing about it is, like, I have no idea what to talk about. I guess like I'll just talk about my life or whatever. So as I said in my first video, my name is Lindsay Noel. I have a disability. If you can't tell by now, my hands are different. I can't walk, so that means my legs are different as well. I also have a scoliosis, but like they kind of fixed that last year, like early up last year. So it's like been a year and some since I did surgery on my spine, and I basically started this channel to like share my poetry at first, and then like I discovered Booktube, and then I was like, okay, I think I want to be a booktuber as well, because I love reading. I had Goodreads and everything like that before Instagram with an Instagram with posting books, but I didn't really take it that seriously. But then I was like, okay, since this is actually a thing, then I could just do poetry and talk about books. I mean, I love talking about books that I read. I used to call my friend, or I still call my friend. I call my friend and tell her about a book that I read or anything like that. And stuff like that. So like, yeah. As I said in previous videos, my favorite genres are romance and mystery or horror, but mainly crime fiction. I don't know what is my fascination with crime, but I find it interesting because it's like what goes through someone's mind when they're committing a crime, or like what brought them to do such crime and stuff like that. Like that kind of fascinates me, because like anybody, a criminal could come from anywhere, from anybody, and that's like almost scary. But I mean, it doesn't scare me, but it's like scary when you think about it. Like everybody can be good, and like you have tendencies to be bad as well. So like different things could push you into becoming a bad person, and that's like so fascinating to me, I think. And like at first I knew I loved romance, but like I didn't know that I had a fascination with crime until like I sat down and really think about it, because like my favorite show is Criminal Minds. Like I watch Criminal Minds over and over again. Like every single season I watch over and over again, and like my sister and stuff used to be like, "Ain't you watched that already?" And I'll be like, "So." Or sometimes I'll be like, I didn't watch this part, when I know I did. And then like I've been drawn to other shows, crime shows, and like, but the person I think I'm most fascinated with is psychopaths and serial killers. Well, most of the time psychopaths tend to be serial killers, but I'm not just fascinated with like any type of psychopath. Like those that are super smart, like take real precision into planning their crime, planning their killings and stuff like that. I find that fascinating. But so now I studied psychology in Grenada, where I'm from, at the college. I received an associate's degree in psychology at the college, and now I'm going on to York University in Canada to study English and professional writing. Now, psychology and English is my passion, but English is my top most priority than psychology. So I'm doing English. I signed up for both of them. I got through English first, only because I had signed up for it before. I didn't get through because the course was filled. So, and I did not sign up for psychology at that time. So I had to wait a little while to get a response for psychology. And then they told me that I had to choose one, because I cannot major minor in such courses and double major in them. So I was kind of heartbroken, but I was like, okay, I just have to go back and do psychology then. Now, what I want to become is actually an author for first. But if you say I'm already an author because I write and publish, I had up my first book, then I took it down. And then I have a collaboration book with two of my friends. And it's up. You know, I haven't taken it down because like that one I did it like it has more poetry in it than the one I had up. So I was like, better I just put on mine and just put up the one with the collaboration because you have more poetry in it. And I also want to be either a sex therapist. When I tell people that they'll be like, well, my friends could see it because like them knowing the type of person that I am, it's not really surprising. Or like something like forensic literature or something to do with forensic, because like as I said, I have a passion for crime. I won't be able to be those type of person to go out into the field and do certain things. So like I won't even try that, you know, because I have a disability. I can't walk. Like it doesn't make sense. So probably if I could have, I would. So yeah. Wish me luck with school, you guys. I'm starting January, hopefully. For some reason, like I feel comfortable filming. I know people say like it feels weird talking to a camera or something like that, but like it feels comfortable to me. At first it didn't, to be honest, because I had a next channel, but I still have up that channel, but like I just used to do poetry and like have little things with me and my brother, because my brother loved doing this as well. But I felt weird then, but now it's like, not that like I'm experienced, you know, or anything like that, but like it feels comfortable because like I literally, you could say that I'm an introvert, basically, and I'm always talking to myself. Like I cannot talk like certain things. I can't even say certain things. Like almost everything, I can't seem to talk to other people about it. So like, I guess talking to myself helps, and that's why I started writing. you know, to talk about all the things that that won't come out of my mouth, you know. That's why I started writing poetry. Just recently I started by writing story. Well, a story. I started writing a story. But so far it's like about me. Like I just started writing out of the blue. And I was like, I don't know what to write. So I didn't want to do no like planning or anything like that, because I don't know, like I would have just forgotten about writing, to be honest. Because like I have written other books before, well, it hasn't been completed. And it was because like I was focusing on like planning and like putting pictures in and stuff like that. And finding pictures of houses to kind of help with my descriptions. And like I was not really focusing on like actually just writing, like, you know, just having fun writing. I want to show my journey on this channel through going through university as someone with a disability, because like I don't think people really seeing much of how much of like an independent how much independence we actually have. Because I feel like people, like when I meet people and I talk to people, they'll be like, oh, how do you do this and how do you do that and how do you, everybody adapt to, basically we adapt to survive. Basically everyone adapts to survive, you know. That's in our nature, that's in our blood, you know. So like I was born this way. So since I was 5, when you were learning how to bathe yourself, I was learning how to bathe myself. It was different than normal, but it didn't stop me from becoming independent just because I'm different. Just because it's not the norm. And my parents always taught me to never give up on myself, you know. So like never give up. If you try and you fail, try again. And that always stuck with me. I always want to succeed in anything I do. I wouldn't, sometimes I say, oh, I can't do this, but then I'll be like, no, you can do this. So yep, I want to show my journey. But I'm moving over to Canada because right now I'm by my sister in the US. So I basically just, so maybe my process of moving and settling into school and stuff like that, I might have to buy a tripod or something for my phone. I use my phone to film everything because I haven't got a camera, and it's okay. Maybe when I start making some money, I'll buy a camera. Well, not maybe I will. When I start to work or something, like my channel ever becomes a little bigger. I'm basically doing this for fun. Talking to people that might not even hear me. What could be more fun than that? I didn't even bring my water out from my room. After this, I'm going to watch The End of the Effing World. I didn't chew that one properly. But on Netflix. From the start, when I hear, okay, I'm a psychopath, and then I start to see like who is acting and stuff like that, I was like, you don't want to be psychopath. You're not a psychopath. Anyways, I think I'll end this video right here. Because I want to watch at least one episode, and then I want to get back into reading for the Buzzword Reader Time, because I'm determined to finish these 2 books. No. So yeah. Anyways, my bowl is practically cleaned, except for like 2 pieces of chicken, which I will be finishing it. Like, don't waste chicken, guys. Do not waste chicken. You hear me? If I find that you wasting chicken, I'll come for you. I will. So, I'm looking at you. I did not do that, okay? So, bye. Talk to guys, have a conversation, and sit down with you guys again. I'll do this again, you know. Maybe not over food, maybe over snack and coffee or something. But I'll do it again, you know, during the day. Maybe during the day. Maybe tomorrow. I mean, I'll put up this video tomorrow, but like, maybe tomorrow I shall have a sit down, drink coffee, eat breakfast, and chats with my, I can't say my non-existent YouTube community, because like, I have 37 subscribers and I have views. So with my small YouTube community, everybody is gonna see how weird I am, and that's okay, because it's okay to be weird. So like, comment, subscribe, and the next video might be a sit down or my buzzword reader time video, or a poetry video. I haven't written a poem in a while, so maybe it will be a poetry video, most likely. So bye.